Good morning, Friday. Good morning, everyone. Good evening. It's a wet day. As you can see, guys, kuminang-kinang ang sahig. Alright. A bit cloudy, rainy. Kumusta's? It's busy road. Ang lungkot ng panahon, guys. As you can see, non-stop walking. Pop-pop doll! Pop-pop doll, guys, oh. This is the busy street and the main street. All the Asian mix up lives. Dito po ang pinaka-center ng mga Asian. Opo, mekos. Di pa masyadong traffic. Mamay nga hapon pa yan, traffic. Alright. Walking in the morning. Walking in the morning. A train! Hey, where are you going? Toronto. I'm coming. I'm my second deck pala, guys, oh. First and second deck. In train. Pag malakas ang ulan po, guys, bumabaha dito kasi mababa. Hindi kaya ng drain. Yan po, oh, di ba lalim? Tapos tataas ka, so lahat mga tubig pumunta sa baba, punta sa drain. Hindi kaya ng drain, baha. Oh, nasa kuweba na tayo. Kuweba, pop-up doll. Ayun na, another pop-up doll. Alright, thank you so much. Bye bye.